I'm going for a breakfast. I was too hungry. I couldn't sleep. I woke up way too early. I was just waiting when the buffet will open so that I can go and eat. But yeah, I'm so hungry. Let's go. I will see you. Where are we going, Julie?
Hi guys, we're going to the mountains.
Mountains. We are aiming to that mountain, but I don't know if we can make it or not because we are not able to find a way to cross this railway track. I don't know how we gonna cross that, but yeah, are we gonna make it? What do you think?
Yes.
Thumbs up? Let's see. We'll update you guys. Seems like we have found the flyover and we are crossing the railway track over the flyover. How excited are you? How are you feeling?
Tired, but I still have the energy.
Me too. I think we made it
We did.
halfway though, but how's the Josh?
Hi.
Work in progress. Now we have to climb this mountain.
Yo.
We are making our own trail now. Hi there. Hi there. What happened?
Oh, I plucked these for us.
Dandelions.
Wish.
Make a wish. Come on.
Take, this one is for you.
Thank you.
Okay. 3.
The funny story about this hike was when we were climbing this mountain, my colleague, she kept on talking about the possibility that there might be reptiles in this area. I thought she might be talking about some lizard or something, so I didn't bother much. But later when we came down, she told me that she was actually talking about the snakes. I got so scared and I asked her, why didn't you tell me then? She told me, if you mention the name of the snakes, they might come for you. I don't know, but it's so funny.
Yes. We made it to the top, y'all. The view. So we are sleeping on this cozy bed of ours. Are you happy that we came?
Me?
Yes.
Very happy.
Me too. But I'm glad we did that.
Warmed by
Yay. I'll take a nap for some time.
Oh, it's down.
Oh, I can't even open my eyes properly. It's so bright. Bye. The photo shoot.
Oh wow, I look so good there.
Oh, so good. Wow.
Come, let me take you, hiker. For walk.
Shh.
I'll send you that one.
How was your experience?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. I feel so enthusiastic.
How about this place? Do you like this place?
I love this place. It's beautiful. Watch out.
Okay.
Floating to a different country, which we have. I'm just kidding.
Even though it was a very short hike, but I felt so accomplished. I was so happy from within and I was able to gather my mind that I have been struggling with lately. I think sometimes we fail to comprehend how important it is to live in the moment because we are occupied dwelling on the past and with the uncertainty of the future. But time like this makes me feel alive and beautiful from within.
What are you holding?
Um, to begin with, we did not have planned to go for a hike. When we went for a breakfast in the morning, we had our breakfast and then we just decided to go out and see what's around. And my colleague and I, we both saw this mountain and we were like, shall we hike to that mountain? And we were like, let's do it. We did not have internet connection, or we did not have money or any card with us, so we just went it like that. My colleague she was like, let's go with the flow. I was like, okay, let's do it. And then on the way, we were so thirsty, but we couldn't buy a bottle of water because we did not have money. But it was such a good hike and I made such a good memories. Yeah. After that, I came to my room and then I took really hot shower and I'm all fresh. I still have half day left, so I'm thinking I might read some books because I have got 2 books with me. So I'm thinking I'm gonna read that, and later in the evening I might go out to get myself a dinner because I'm always hungry. Yeah, we shall see. Make a coffee. Let's have a coffee. Cheers. It's good. The smell of coffee. I like the smell of coffee.